Hi, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a lovely day. I've got an unboxing video for you, but it's the second time ASOS has brought out a beauty box, so I'm not sure if this is classed as an extra November box or unless this is their December box and they've just released it early. But it arrived this morning, so I thought I'd pop on and do a quick video to show you what you can get, because they tend to sell out super fast. So if you're new to ASOS beauty boxes, I'll just give you a quick lowdown about what it's all about. But if you've seen it all before and you just want to see the contents, I will add a timestamp down below. So as I said at the start, normally they come out at the beginning of the month and they only release one box. They've been doing this now for about a year, I think, and I've been getting them regularly and I really like them. There's been 1 or 2 months that I've been a bit, shall I or shan't I? But generally, overall, it is a box I look forward to finding out what you're going to get. They're not a subscription, so there's no signing up or anything. Sometimes you get notifications if you sign up for their Instagram account, the beauty one, or for their app as well, but I haven't had any notifications of these lot. I had a message of 1 or 2 of you, so thank you so much, alerting me to the fact that ASOS has brought out another box. Now these boxes cost £10 and shipping is £3 unless you spend over £25 or £30 on the website, then you get it free. Now I've taken out a yearly postage and packaging deal for £10 or £9.99, so it means that I can get free next day delivery with any ASOS order. So if you regularly shop with ASOS, or if these boxes take your fancy, then I totally recommend paying out the initial £10, but it means you get free next day delivery for the whole year, which is good, really good. Online you can get to see the products contained in the box, so you can make a decision then whether you want this box or not, and there's usually about 6 items in here. The box, as I said, costs £10. Usually the value of the box comes to around, say, £50 odd, so way above what you actually pay for it. They do the odd special edition boxes. Last month they had an amazing Bobbi Brown one, which is fab. Those special edition type boxes are £15, so a little bit more, but definitely worth it in my opinion anyway. A couple of months ago they had a Clinique one as well, which is amazing. So yeah, they're definitely worth checking out. Even if these monthly boxes, if you go online and you think, no, it's not for me, but it's definitely worth going there the next month and the next month if it's something, you know, you never know, might take your fancy. We've had MAC, we've had Line Crime, you know, Clinique, Bobbi Brown. We've had big names in these boxes, and there's 1 or 2 big names in this one as well. So inside you get a little leaflet, and it just outlines everything inside this box, which I'll read to you in a little while. But in here it doesn't give you any information about the costings, whether it's full size, sample size, etc. But as I always do, I will look online and I will seek all that information out, because I like to find out how much this box is actually worth. It's just curious. So I will link that down below, and links to ASOS and this box I will link down below as well. So click on the show more, that'll bring it to description and everything will be down there. So let's show you what I got. Ooh, you're not going to be able to see much there. Quick look. So as far as I'm aware, maybe 1 full size, two full size items. I'm not too sure, but we'll have a look as we go along. So the little card says, we all need a little TLC when the cold weather hits, so let this box of goodies act as your at-home spa this winter. The Bumble and Bumble Plumping Spray will cancel out limp hair days, and while we're on the subject of plumping, the Bibby Lip Plumper is the perfect pocket plus one. Oh my gosh, there's so many P's! Right, with peppermint and blood orange essential oils and shea butter to seal in moisture. And for cozy nights in, there's the Elemis Papaya Enzyme Peel to exfoliate and purify tired skin, and the Frank Butter Scrub to make you feel softer than a kitten with a blowout. Finally, fall asleep in the Yes 2 coconut sleeping mask and wake up to the skin that feels ultra hydrated. So yeah, so that's all the information inside this box. So first item, we've got a Frank body scrub, and this is, guess what, you'll be naked in a minute, original coffee scrub exfoliated for smooth glowing skin. So this is a 20-gram pouch, so it looks like there. So enough to do maybe 1 shower. It says, get naked, get in the shower, wet your skin and grab a handful of scrub in circular motions from top to toe, leave for 3 minutes, then rinse. Now I haven't tried this one before, but I have tried a few other coffee scrubs. They were a huge deal in subscription boxes, I think last year, or it could be the beginning of the year, I'm not too sure. And a lot of subscription boxes were, you know, giving people these coffee scrubs. I can't remember the brand name now, but lovely, really lovely. But my God, they make a mess. They make make a huge mess in the shower. Well, you're thinking it's coffee, isn't it? So it's all black lumps all over your body and all over the shower, but it's easy to clean. But if you've never tried it before, you might be in for a shock when you do. But as I said, it is easy to clean, and it makes your skin feel nice and soft. So that's our first item. Second, we've got something that really excites me, and I had recently, and it's an ASOS facial mask. It's a facial enzyme peel. So this is a sample, or a deluxe sample, and this is a 15ml. And it's gorgeous, really, really lovely. I wasn't sure what to expect. It feels a bit weird going on, just like a normal cream, like a moisturiser, but then it does change a little bit, and when you wash it off afterwards, my skin, it felt so soft, and I've still got a bit left, so I'm really happy to have this again. So this is a papaya enzyme peel, and it says exfoliate and purify tired, lackluster skin, non-abrasive fruit enzymes work to leave skin soft, revitalised and radiant. I think I might have read that, didn't I, on that little leaflet. Apply for 10 minutes, rinse off with warm water, and yeah, I love this product, really, really nice. Next item is a hairspray, but it's a Bumble and Bumble, a thickening Go Big treatment, and this is 30ml. I'll just show you first. That's what that looks like. So it says shake well, spray throughout damp hair, follow with your fave, thickening styler and blow dry. Because naturally my hair is very thin. It is very fine and thin. It is quite long, but I tend to wear like a halo extension in my hair if I wear my hair down. But so the only time I will have my hair naturally down is if I'm going to curl it, and having thickening sprays like this, I use heat protectant creams and sprays and stuff, but a thickening spray, it just makes the curls just seem to last a lot longer, and I can get a lot more volume. So I've never tried this before, so I am quite excited to try it, because yeah, I want to put more curls in my hair now that it's coming up to festive season. I don't know why, but yeah, I just feel more glam. Next item is a Bibby Plumper lip balm. Not heard of this brand before myself, and this is a 10ml. So it's a Plumping Lip Balm. What's it look like here? Apply pea-sized amount to lips for intense hydration, soft shine and perfectly plumped pout. 100% natural, certified vegan and cruelty-free. And this is a 10ml lip plumper. Ooh, shall I try a little bit? I know I've got lipstick on my lips, but let's try a dab. Oh, it's like a Vaseline type, so I'm going to probably smudge it all over the place now. Oh, I wear. Oh, I don't know what the smell is. What's the smell? Oh, I don't know. It's nice. Not really nice to lick or have in your mouth, but it's alright. I don't know what it looks like. I've just got the viewfinder on the side of this camera, but it feels really nice. That's our fourth item, and our last item is a mask. And this is a Yes to Coconut Hydrating for Dry Skin Moisturising Sleeping Mask. And this is a full size, and you've got a little pouch there full of the cream. I've tried a few of the S2 masks before, but I've never tried this one. I don't think, anyway. It doesn't ring a bell, but yeah, no, it's for dry skin, so that suits me. I've got normal to combination, but in the winter time I tend to find that my cheeks around here tend to go quite dry, and my forehead, so no, I do tend to opt for dry skin things in the winter. So it just says apply mask all over face on freshly cleansed skin, feel free to relax and give yourself a mini face massage as the formula absorbs. We'll wait here. Tuck yourself in, turn off the lights and let the mask do all the work while you sleep. You'll wake up to a clean pillow and beautiful skin. Rinse off and get ready for a glowing day. So those are all the items in this month's ASOS box, or November, December's box. I don't know what box it is. So we've got a sleeping mask, we've got a coffee body scrub, we've got a plumping lip balm, we've got a ASOS facial peel, and we've got a Bumble and Bumble thickening spray for your hair down here. So I think for £10, I think it's great. I do really like this box. There's some interesting products in here. So there you go. So those are the items. I'd love to know your thoughts on this box. Do you think it's a good one this month? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to read, so comment down below. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.